Dear business professionals and managers, content matters. It's time to get it right. It's time to eliminate the poor grammar, misspelled words, and other content errors. Time to put a coat of professional polish on your website, in your emails, and in your print brochures. Sorry, I just can't stand it. Are you as bothered by misspelled words as I am? Here, let me show you. Mistakes like these reflect negatively on a business and make you and your brand look unprofessional. That's why it's so important to constantly correct mistakes. Hi, I'm Meg Anderson, founder of Luminary Works, an editorial services firm in Atlanta. Are you an administrative professional studying for your certification exam? I can help you avoid typos. Join me at the IAAP CAPstone conference. In the certification bootcamp, I'll show you how to catch and correct grammatical mistakes. In no time, using advanced features in Microsoft Word and Outlook, I'll help you reach a whole new level of proofreading proficiency. Get ready to make proofreading your new superpower. Register to attend IAAP's CAPstone Conference in Atlanta, March 5th through the 7th. Learn more at IAAP-capstone.org.